Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to add link to a TikTok video and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the TikTok application for that. And once you access the TikTok app, what you may do is you can start by creating up a new post. So for that, what you may do is once you may go to TikTok and tap on this plus option right here to create up a video. So tap on this plus option and you can start creating up a new video. And once you do so within the screen right here, you can record or upload a video and a photo. And once that is done, you just need to go over and add up music, filters, anything that you prefer, and tap on the next option. Now, once the space appears right here, what you need to do is you can add up bio or anything, and you can just go over and on the editing screen, look out for the add link option. So you can find this option right under where you can add up captions. So you can add it up, tap on add link. And when you tap on add link, it will give you option to select the type of link you want to add, like a live event, book, or product. So you can select that. And once you do so, you can search for the event that you would like to add. And all you gotta do is follow the on-screen instruction to select or add the specific link. You can select one of those. And once that is done, you may just go over and tap on this post option to upload the video within the link. And once that is done, the link should be available within the TikTok video. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method to add link to your TikTok video. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.